Hi, Mel! Or should I say Melionario? Just wanted to wish you a happy 60th birthday. Naku, senior citizen ka na, ha? Dapat magpapayat ka na to be as sexy as Shay. We love you, Mel. I wish you all the best today and for the next 60th year. Big hug. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything you've done for me, my family, for my husband. Sama-sama tayo babago muli para maging milyonaryo.
Ang kulang ba maa-address through amendments of the local government code or should we go and amend the constitution? Walang ganun. Walang
ganung reconciliation.
There's nothing. Di ba? Gusto nila, tapos ang gusto nila parate, pagdating sa pag-aamyenda ng saligang batas, mabilisan, ora-orada. Tingnan mo, nagpapakapan lang nila, o nagpulong sila ni Presidente, pagkatapos, gagawa na sila ng resolution, papayag daw ang Kongreso, aarangkada na sila. So, teka, wait, napag-usapan ba natin what you're going to propose? Di ba? The proposals are supposed to be solutions. What's the problem? What are you trying to solve? O feel nyo lang? Parang ganon. Parang, I have to change my shoes na. It's old na.
Attorney, ano nyo po? Yung, di ba yung House Resolution na final ni Senate President Zubiri, naka-zero in lang sa parang 3 provisions po ng Constitution, di ba? Yung first is sa public utilities, yung unless otherwise provided by law. Second, yung sa educational institution. Tapos third, yung sa advertising, ayun. So, ano ba sasabi niyo doon?
He just pulled these things out of the air. Feeling ko. Teka, ano yung justification? Now, pagka nagja-justify sila, kailangan puntahan muna nila kung ano yung purpose ng mga provisions na yun to begin with. O bakit may provision against yung foreign ownership ng educational institutions? Kasi unang-una, I don't know if the DepEd is doing this, education must be culture-based. Okay. Bakit culture-based? Kasi yung national identity dun pinoporma in the earliest stages. So, sa education yung dinadala. And ano ba yung mga culture bearers natin? Aside from education, because the primary culture bearer is communication, so language, and so on. So, yung mga yan, tinuturo, ini-inculcate. Culture is learned. Remember this. Culture is learned. You're not born Ibaloy. You're not born Tagalog. You're not born Bisaya. It is something that you learn. You learn from your family. You learn from the acculturation in growing up within a cultural community. Pag foreign yan, ano ang magiging resulta sa atin? What's going to happen to the kids? What kind of Filipinos will we be making if our schools are run by foreigners? Okay? So, pwede natin kumbaga, para sa akin, I want to see what is their intent of bakit natin binubuksan ito to foreign ownership. Is it because expensive ang education dito? Why? Magmumura ba pag foreigner ang may-ari? Diba? Hindi, kumbaga, they're proposing solutions but they are not even clear on what the problem is.
The problem is.
So, para sa akin, ito, and this is a big misnomer. Sabi ni Torian 64, mga Hapon very highly principled, mas lamang dugong Pinoy hit-hit. Una-una, I'm not here and I never will be here to bash my own country. Okay? May kahinaan tayo and that's the purpose of criticism. Hindi natin gagawin yun. Na at the expense, ilalabas ninyo na, oy, ang galing-galing ng mga Hapon, ganito. Tapos ibabash nyo yung Pilipinas. Dugo pa talaga yung sinabi mo. Ang punto dito is we can learn all of that. We can take these educational techniques and learn them. What exactly is the problem they're trying to solve? Hindi natin alam, hindi nila sinasabi. What is your whereas to this? Whereas ganito. So therefore, papasukin natin. Is it simply because that they want investors to come in? So what? Diba? Bakit doon? O advertising, same. ano ba yung i-advertise nila? Local products or foreign products? So, may mga ganyan pa. And, what is it going to do to the local advertisers? Is it an industry that's in trouble? I don't see it in trouble. Ang dami nga eh. Ang dami nga nating PR, ang dami ng fly-by-night eh. So what are we trying to solve by allowing foreign companies to do advertising here? I don't mind. Basta sabihin nila sa atin kung ano yung sinusolve nila.
Actually, yun nga yung nakaka-puzzle doon, attorney, kasi parang talaga yung advertising company, isa to sa priority ni Senator Subiri.
Parang yung priority. Oh, akala ko ba it was the 60-40 that was the problem?
Yeah.
The main 60-40 is extraction of natural resources. They're not even talking about that.
Yeah. Which is yun yung pressing sa part ni PBBM. Kasi PBBM wanted to do renewable sources of energy. And that will have a parang the Constitution will have an impact doon sa mga investors na mag-e-engage sa renewable energy. Kasi naka 60-40 po, di ba, basta renewable? Naka 60-40 siya, basta renewable. So ngayon, doon papasok yung ina-explain ni Senator Subiri na hindi, may mga investors kasi na sasabihin natin na pwede na kayong I remember some time ago na sinabi yan nila, isa yan sa mga promise ni PBBM na gusto niya magkaroon ng mga investors sa renewable energy, and that it will be allowed to be 100% owned. Kaso tatama siya sa tatama siya dun sa constitutional limitation, attorney, di ba?
What happens kung nagyera?
In the it's not included in the Zubiri proposal.
Oo nga eh. Oo nga, no? Ano yung tatlo? Education, advertising, ano yung isa pa?
Public utilities.
May Public Utilities Act na nga tayo. Sablay din sila eh.
Public utilities, education, and advertising.
Ito yung sinasabi nila with public utilities. Gumawa nga sila ng batas. Take note sila rin yung gumawa ng batas. So, ginawa nila ng batas sa public utilities, pero sabi nila, dahil hindi na-amend yung Constitution, kailangan din i-amend ang Constitution. Pero look at the problem. May challenge yung public utilities, yung bagong Public Utilities Act sa Supreme Court. Kasi in-include nila yung airports. So, airports are imbued with national interest. Actually, with national security interests. So, dahil may ganun, dahil may national security interests, kakayanin ba natin na 100% foreign-owned yan? Kung magkagera, di ba? Makokontrol nyo ba yon yung mga last minute? Even power and all that. Remember, there was even a proposal na i-connect tayo kasi if it were to be made possible to connect us by underground cable to foreign producers of power. Gets ko lang, kulang talaga tayo. Pero ang tanong, bakit tayo kulang sa energy? Kasi may mga nanggugulang na energy